Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Somebody call 911? Hold on, let me see if I can call. Nobody called. I bet you nobody called. It just happened. Hold on.
Well, obviously I know.
Yeah, they...
Here. Stop. Make seriously, okay. We got our... You okay? Oh shit, move back. Yeah. Hi, it is an accident right on 696 and right before, what is this, Gratiot. It's going eastbound and they're in the middle of the road. Are you okay?
No, she's not.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make sure she's okay. I'm sorry, go ahead. Okay, it's a car. I don't know. It had to be two cars hit each other or something, and then the person is in the middle of the road. It's like debris everywhere. And it's like stuff leaking from the cars and whatnot. Oh, I think another car is about to...
No, do you not?
Hello? Yes, the car is leaking like a lot of fluid. Stand over here. Stand over here. Stay still. Hold on. Hold on one second. Oh, okay. What is
she's scared.
Yeah, she doesn't look injured, but I can't tell if anybody is injured. She doesn't look injured. Just stay there. It looks like a Ford Taurus.
Yep.
It's silver. It's right in the middle of the road. I'm on the phone now. Hello? She is in not the left lane, but the one in the middle lane, going like towards the left.
So she hit somebody. Where's the car that she hit? Yeah.
It's eastbound. Yeah, I'm on the phone with the police right now. Just
come back this way.
Come back this way.
Come back.
I'm sorry. Hello?
Yeah, stay on this side. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. She said, do you want me to call 911? Bitch, what was you gonna do?
You said you hit somebody or what?
What?
You said you hit someone?
I just rear-ended someone, but I don't know if they stopped.
Yeah, I don't.
They didn't stop.
They stopped.
Yeah.
They didn't stop.
They didn't? Okay.
No, because she said she wasn't hit, right?
She wasn't hit.
Yes.
She just said she wasn't hit.
Okay. Yeah, I just called 911, so they're on their way.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I've never been in an accident in my life.
Yeah. Because I don't want everybody to keep fucking stopping. Yeah, just stay on this side because if you go out there, you may get hit.
I know. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how this works. Like my car is totaled, obviously. Oh my god.
Yeah, as long as you are right,
I was like afraid to stay in it though because so much oil like leaked out of it. And my phone's in there, but I don't know where it went.
Don't even worry about that. Yeah, they should.
When the police come and stuff, then you'll be able to get it.
Thank you so much for stopping.
No problem.
No problem. I literally I was trying to find my phone and I was like, I don't know how this works.
Wow.
Do you care if did you already call 911?
Yeah, I already called.
Is it okay if I call my mom on your phone?
Go ahead.
Thank you so much.
You know how to work it?
Sorry, I just locked it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Yeah.
I thought it was a rollover at first.
It says emergency calls only.
Oh, because I didn't take it off. Sorry about that.
You're okay.
How do I take it off? Yeah, oh wait, I just called 911 again. Sorry.
You're okay.
Oh, my daughter said.
I don't.
Yeah,
the
she
person
was here.
I rear-ended, I don't even think they stopped.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. So I think it's just me.
Yeah, it was just her. We just stopped and called the police, so they
Thank you so
should
much.
be around.
You guys have no idea how
Nobody's hurt?
No, appreciate that. Thank you.
Just want to make sure.
Thank you. That's the same thing I would have did because I'm CPR certified, so I technically have to stop whenever I see something, which is some yes, but whatever. Last time I stopped was in Canada.
See that's.
That is why we wanted you over here.
Yeah.
That is why we wanted you over here.
Oh my
Because
god.
people are not paying attention. They
Oh
drive
my
they go
lord!
fast.
I can't. What the fuck? How do you?
see that car?
Oh my god! Oh my god, Lord!
I don't have no flares here.
And
either.
you know what? I'm extremely thankful that you were right here. Right here.
I don't even know.
Right here. See?
She's not answering.
They couldn't see because we could barely see when we pulled
That was
up.
the most terrifying moment of my life. They stopped so abruptly. Like
Yeah.
I looked up and they were just completely stopped. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I don't even know what to do at this point.
It's back on 696. This is my second time calling. I know you guys are on your way. I think somebody is just here. It's been another accident since we've been sitting here. The same car that we were at, another car hit it, and now it's like a 3-car accident.
And I got everything on Dashcam right here too.
Yeah. Was it 3 cars or 2 cars now?
Yeah, it's 2 cars.
It's 2 cars. They're you guys are right behind us. I see you coming, but I'm just letting you know what's happening because. All right, thank you.
Yeah, that's what it say. That's what I noticed what was going on early. It hit.
And the way they were just driving around.
Yeah.
We probably I've never in my entire life.
No, I'm the one.
No, where'd he go? Go ahead and help. They're going to help because they don't know. Oh, he's going to the car, but she's the car. Well, he doesn't know. He's trying to see.
Yeah, he's a.
Where's your phone?
She better not take her ass back.
No,
Where's your phone?
I got it back from her.
Oh, okay. I was about to
Hey, yo,
Yeah.
I was gonna say, hold on, man. I need you to come back.
Like I said, I know because like I said, I thought it was
Oh,
a.
she didn't see my Harry Styles wallpaper.
Oh, that's all.
Did you give her hand sanitizer
Yeah.
because this is like a lot of corona.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not being funny, but
Yeah,
You're on fire.
where's the hand? Give me some too.
That is a fire inside of it.
Wipe ya.
That car is on fire.
Yeah,
But it's not her fault.
she needs to come up out that goddamn
But it
vehicle.
wouldn't
though.
be her fault though, would it?
Sorry, huh?
It wouldn't be her
It's
fault.
not
No.
her fault per se.
Because